got the Ziffel 3-pedal challenge going on today. Little drivers meeting, stick shift. Let's go. Gift bag, swag bag.
What did you get?
Shirt, stickers, raffle. We're out here in Woodburn. Got the Ziffel 3-pedal challenge going on. A lot of cars, a lot of chances here, but we got to be on our shit because name of the game today is cutting good lights. We're gonna try and stay consistent, so I'm not really gonna mess with the boost control too much. We're just gonna see what it's gonna run with a good launch. Hopefully be near 12-second pass. That's probably what I'd shoot for today. So if I can dial in close to a 12.0 or something, I think that's where we're gonna leave it. But yeah, should be a really fun day of racing. We got my mom, my dad, and Monica's out here today supporting as well. And we might even have a few other people coming out to support us. So they're running some cars right now, and we're just in the pits getting ready. All right, we're in the lanes. Then we got the start of the stick shift class here. The Ziffel's 3-pedal challenge. Ben's rocking the shirt. Sweet new shirts.
That's the guy that gave me a ride when I broke down.
Oh, yeah. Hey, we got our friends out here. We got some stiff competition today. We got all sorts of cars. Good turnout in the stick shift class. We gotta really be on it today. We got first round of qualifying, people. Ben's in front of me. I'll get to see him make a lick. Going after a good light. Really all that matters. Good reaction time. First bulb here, folks. My best, I don't think. Bogged a little bit. I gotta up my two-step. I'm only at 35. First round, not super good. Bad light. 0.3 on the tree. 1.8 60 foot. We're turning the boost up. I got 30% duty cycle in her, so we should make about 9 or 10 pounds. And we're gonna leave a little harder, that's for sure. So we're gonna get out there and see what we can do in Q2. Hey,
What's up?
what's happening?
I'm in the rabbit.
Hey, all right.
Yeah.
That thing's a beast. I was checking it out.
Put it on YouTube.
Hell yeah, I'll come back and definitely I guess on the next round we'll do a little highlight.
Cool, yes.
Hell yeah, dude.
I watch most of your videos.
Hey, good.
I got it on notification, so it reminds me when you.
Yeah, I know, I'm slacking. I have like 5 different things. I put a new transmission in it as we blew it up last time. And so now it's TKX with a twin disc. So I got a spool, 31 spline axles, 9-inch ends.
Perfect.
So we ain't breaking this stuff today, but
Good.
We're gonna throw some boost. Yeah, we're gonna let it rip. Absolutely. There's a lot. Yeah.
You do?
Yeah.
You can use it today.
Oh yeah. I left on it. Yeah, we're at 4,000 RPM.
Oh, perfect.
Yeah. So it's spiced up, and I'm getting used to it. Yeah, it's definitely a new kind of thing, but we're figuring it out.
Right on. I'll see you up there. Good
Hell
luck.
yeah, dude. It's all about the light here. Let's go! Now we're talking. Let's get the flag on, folks.
Come on, Ben. Come on, Ben.
That was a rip. I felt like I left a lot better this time. You know, can't speak on reaction time. It's honestly just such a blur. Still just getting this thing figured out, but I definitely left good. I didn't bog. 4,000 RPM launch. We turned the boost controller up, so we were making some steam. Might be a good pass here, guys. All right, folks. We got a lot of people in the pits today, so I'm just gonna read it to you as I'm driving back here. 0.16 on the tree, so better, but still not an O. I need to go O something. But new personal best in the quarter, 1181 at 118, baby. We're screaming. Yep, went 763 in the 8th, which honestly is not bad. God, I'm probably yelling. Sorry, guys. I went 763 in the 8th today, and I went 747 at PIR, but yeah, brand new record in the quarter mile. Now we're talking. All right, we're back in the pits. We got the Milwaukee fan on the turbo here. We're gonna take a look at the data log real quick and see what kind of boost we made on 30% duty cycle. We're gonna, you know, we got to dial in on this first round of eliminations. I think we got a couple hours, so we got some time. Let her cool off. But yeah, I'm just gonna kind of leave things how they are and see what kind of time we can run. All right, we got Jared over here. Not racing the Fox today, but he's racing the Volkswagen. Got a fresh little unit here. You got the rat rod. That is so funny. Is it like the intercooler?
No,
Just like a bike?
froze.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, it froze over winter and then expanded and broke it, so we cut it out and then the silicone in.
How funny. Sweet. Turkey, bare bones. Stick shit, baby. Very cool. Check them out. Hell yeah. All right, here's another walk down. We got Bruce, first round, veteran. Dialing 1175. Got left lane this time. Get out here and make a lick. Run! everything. Oh, there we go. All right, showtime. Let's go. It's hot. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. A little bit of fluid or something?
I'm not sure yet. I saw it. I just caught it out of the corner of my eye. It actually took a bunch of corners.
Okay.
So I know something broke, like an axle.
Sportsman coming back.
Yeah, as soon as I hear it.
First call from Brody.
All right, guys. So there's a gasser in the class that was getting real squirrely and went across center line and was coming back. I don't think he hit the wall, but it looks like he's driving off on his own power, so that's good. So we're back in action. We're gonna make sure the track's all clear and we'll get this thing over with. Let's go.
Come on, babe.
Caleb Enebo and Bruce.
All right.
Okay, here they come. Yellow,
Good pass. Good pass. I had to be going pretty good because I didn't red light. I felt like I got out pretty good. And the guy next to me, he was rolling. And so he had to catch me, and when he was playing the game, I left it to the floor. Nice. Nice. We're gonna see Ben on the top end here. I gotta get the flag in action. Overall, great day of racing. I don't want to call it quits here, but we'll see. You know, that's kind of the thing, is that my reaction time wasn't very good, then even if I hit it on the nose. So I'm always worried. You know, leaving on the clutch off the button, it's always pretty tough, but you know, we'll see how it rode out. I'm still just getting used to the car. There goes Ben!
you got this.
Can't see the wind light. Oh, oh no, I saw it on the backside. I think the other guy got Ben. So, Enebo Racing might be out first round, so we'll see. So yeah, one and done, unfortunately. The guy got me by 0.02. I had a horrible reaction time. I was closer to my time. The guy didn't have a good pass, to be honest, but I just had a horrible reaction time. But I did a wheelie. Nathan got a video of me pulling a tire. So we did our first wheelie, guys. Pretty stoked on that, not gonna lie. Stuck it down. So now we're switching back over to street mode and yeah, head on back. We got the pit crew working extra hard, testing out our new gloves.
Oh yeah.
Nice. nice, righty-tighty, sweet. So, yep, we're done for the day. Just to prove that it ain't all show. We got a tough chick in the house here. What do we got? Tough chicks. Sponsor us.
I know, I need to put my glasses on.
Oh, yeah. Oh, your safety glasses?
Yeah.
Make sure we're safe here.
Yeah. Safety first.
Oh, yeah. Sweet. Got the pit crew in full force. We're done racing. Oh, yeah. Good job, babe. Alright, people, if you're wondering what you're done looks like, yeah, that's a pretty good, you're done. Alright, cleaned out the raffle. Check out the new shirt. Sick. Got Ben and Brian taking off. The stick shift guys, they talked us into staying another night, so we're driving home, but we're leaving our trailers, and we'll be back tomorrow morning for some more racing. So we'll catch you tomorrow, get some more footage, and go from there.